Today I want to show you how to make something that I make at home all the time. Homemade soft scrubbing cleanser. And it's so simple to make. You're going to take 3/4 cup of baking soda. Now I always put it into a container with a good lid if it's snugly on it. Then you're going to use 1/4 cup of Castile Soap. Now this is Dr. Bonner's, find it in health food stores and drugstores. And it comes in different fragrances. I have lavender here, but it comes in peppermint, it comes in rose, all kinds of fragrances. Lots of people like that peppermint smell. Then we're gonna add to that 1 tablespoon of water. Then all I'm gonna do is take a spoon or a little whisk and we're gonna just stir it up. Now, if it seems thick to you, you add a little more liquid, and that liquid can be more Castile or more water, whichever you prefer. Now, I want this to be a little thinner, so I'm gonna put in a couple more tablespoons of water and give it a good stir. Now, I also wanna give this a little different fragrance than what I have, and I love the smell of wintergreen in my bathrooms when I'm cleaning. So I'm gonna put about 10 drops of wintergreen essential oil in it and just stir. Now you can make it smell like anything you like. Okay, when you're done, you're gonna use this just exactly as you would any soft scrub that you bought at the store. It does a great job cleaning, it won't scratch, it smells wonderful because you made it smell that way. So homemade soft scrub, it's great for the kitchen and the bath. For additional information, check out my website at queenofclean.com. Follow me on Facebook and Twitter, and thanks for talking dirty with the Queen of Clean.